Good morning. Today, we are going to discuss new media. New media art can be any form of artistic production that is created in a medium that does not belong to traditional modes of artistic expression. New media is a term that is used to refer to any content available on the internet, often containing interactive user feedbacks and engages the audience for creative participation. New media is an umbrella that covers a number of different contemporary art practices. It is the dynamic field of the arts that offers contemporary tools of artistic expression. New media is used to include recent developments in art, such as body art, time-based art, digital art, environmental art, web-based art, multimedia art, and performance art. One form of new media is called body art, which emphasizes the beauty of the body. It is an art form where the body is used as support and medium. An artwork by Johannes Stotter in 2013 entitled The Frog, using 5 models, made a breakthrough in the realm of painting and body art. Rather than using a static or typical canvas, Johannes uses the body of models to bring his artwork to life. This enhances the connection between the artist, the person, and the art form. He creates illusionary masterpieces with each brushstroke, creating detailed effects with his hands. He often blends his art into a backdrop of natural landscapes, portraying the beauty of the nature and the life forms that dwells in it. Another form of new media is environmental art. This involves artistic practices that encompass both historical approaches to art and recent ecological and political motivated work types. Environmental art uses nature as the primary medium. It also addresses social and political issues relating to the natural and urban environment. An artwork by environmental artist Andy Goldsworthy, Rowan Lives and Whole, indicates an actively contemplating effect of nature to people and are not compromising their well-being or well-being to build work. Environmental artists also use natural materials like leaves, branches, stone, and water as the very basis of their artwork, creating art through nature. Andy Goldsworthy once said, "We often forget that we are nature. Nature is not something separate from us. So, when we say that we have lost our connection to nature, we've lost our connection to ourselves." Another form of new media is multimedia art. It is an art that uses different media to create an artwork. Multimedia is the combination of different art media to create an output. It uses a wide variety of materials and media such as video and electronic art, music, and performance to align the ideas and insight to form a contemporary dimension or entity. Another form of new media is web-based art. Web-based art utilizes the web for its dissemination and creation. An example is this zebra, which uses letters, numbers, and special characters in the web to create an art. Next form of new media is time-based art. It is a cluster of units dealing with a complex multiplicity of artistic forms which use the passage of and the manipulation of time as the essential element. Time-based media works have duration as a dimension and unfold to viewers over time. Examples of this are contemporary artworks that includes film, audio, video, or computer-based technologies. Early examples of time-based art back at the 1960s, in particular the art of Bruce Nauman, was his record happenings to be played back in the gallery. Another form of new media is performance art, which is considered as eclectic or diverse, since the artists or performers can either perform live or recorded, and they have the freedom to be spontaneous in the stage. Performance art combines visual art with dramatic performance. There are various forms of performance art like singing, dancing, theater, magic, circus, and opera. The Phantom of the Opera by Andrew Lloyd Webber is one of the most famous and successful pieces of entertainment of all time. The artists perform their art through songs, gestures, speeches, and dances with the use of lighting, music, sound, costumes, and even set designs, which all contribute to the audience's experience. Last but not least, digital art as a form of new media, which is an artistic work or practice that uses digital technology as part of the creative process. Digital arts can be broken into 4 types, mainly digital painting, animation, digital photography, and digital installation. Digital painting utilizes digital tools such as graphics tablet, computer, stylus, and softwares that are used for making drawings. Softwares that are involved in digital paintings are mimicking the traditional mediums such as brush types, colors, and painting effects. Animation is the synthesis of movements through the use of images and fragments of time. One of the most successful animation industries is anime in Japan, which is very popular all over the world. Digital photography is the production of photographs using a camera, which nowadays is shared into social media platforms such as Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. These magnificent shots were captured using just an iPhone 11 Pro. And lastly, digital installation arts, which relates to the sculptures for their 3D nature, but offer a new typology in their relation to the viewers. Mostly, this type of artworks can be interactive, that is, responding to visitors' inputs such as body movements, voices, and touch. Virtual reality and augmented reality are typically examples of the technologies promoting these kinds of experience. Thus, new media indeed brought us to these magnificent art encounters, wherein we are able to see art in the form of body art, time-based art, digital art, environmental art, web-based art, multimedia art, and performance art. With such, we are able to confirm that we are truly in the present, where we meet the new media.